Hello everyone, hello the Jewelry Crew, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well today. Well, guess what, in today's recipe we are going to make, yes, the famous Ghanaian green shito or green pepper sauce. I know this video is long overdue. I should have done the recipe a long time ago, but it's never too late, right? Is it? So I finally decided to post this amazing recipe. So what can you eat green pepper sauce with? Fried yam. Fried yam. You know, you have your fried yam with your fried fish or fried tofu on the side with some shito, chale, and some keto. So yes, my recipe is quick, tasty, simple. You know, it's not that I'm selling myself, but I'm just telling you it's a very great recipe, you know. By the way, these are green Scotch bonnet peppers. You can do it with the Ghanaian ones, you know, the little Kpakposhito, but I couldn't find any this time. And but the green Scotch bonnet does the same job. It's the same pepper basically. Okay, so if you can't get these ones, it's great. It does the same job as I said. So please try my recipe and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to leave me likes, okay, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Hello friends, so this is my amazing Ghanaian green shito or green pepper sauce. So I hope you're going to enjoy watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up, comment, share my videos, and I'll see you next time for another Mrs. Jewelry recipe. Until then, take care of yourself and God bless you all. Bye bye. So let's get started now. These are the ingredients to make green shito Ghanaian style. We need green Scotch bonnet peppers. I've got here about 220 grams or about 30 pieces. You can also use Kpakposhito. I've got 1 medium-sized onion, 2 green peppers. I've got about 75 grams of ginger, 8 pieces of finger chilies, 1 shallot, and 4 big garlic cloves. And now I'm going to show you a close-up of some of the ingredients. So this is a green Scotch bonnet pepper. The Kpakposhito is very similar, but it's smaller. And this is a green pepper. It is also called Kali pepper, and it is not spicy. This is a finger chili. It comes from Senegal and it is very spicy. I've got here 1 shallot onion, which is very similar to the normal onion but with a sweeter taste. For the spices, I've got here 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of prawn stock powder or crayfish. And I've got here 2 cups of vegetable oil. And you also need some water to blend everything. So let's get started. As I said, this recipe is very quick and very easy to prepare and very tasty as well. So what you have to do is to put all of your ingredients in your blender. This is basically what you have to do. Almost finito. And add water to make it easier to blend. This is it, guys. Very easy, but make sure you blend it very well until it is very smooth. This is a ninja blender and it is very powerful. So now let's blend all this together. And this is it now. My peppers and onion and ginger and garlic are all blended, and I'm going to open it up for you to see how it looks like. This is it now. So in the meantime, heat up your oil. I've got here 2 cups of vegetable oil. But if you think 2 cups is too much for you, please use 1 cup or 1 cup and a half. Reason I'm using 2 cups is because this pepper is preserved in oil, just like the black Shito. Trust me. So when the oil is hot, add in the blended onion and peppers. Okay, and make sure you don't burn yourself. So fry it at a medium heat, and then give it a stir to prevent it from burning, because it can easily burn. So from time to time, just come and check it and give it a stir. So the total cooking time for my green pepper sauce will be 15 minutes. This is how I like mine. So this is after 10 minutes, and I'm adding my tablespoon of prawn powder. You can use crayfish powder if you like, and my teaspoon of salt. If you think there is not enough salt, please add a bit more, or add more prawn stock flavor. And leave it on for another 5 minutes, and this is how it should look like. The color should have changed, it has taken up, and the oil has come on top. This is what we are looking for. So keep it in an airtight container in the fridge and use it whenever you need it. And this is a close-up here of how it looks like. You can make it look nice. Here I'm using some finger chilies, but it depends on you. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. It is very simple and very tasty. Trust me on that. I decided to enjoy it with my achike, my salad, and my chicken, and it was wonderful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.